Hey, I'm Jimmy Dillon. Welcome back to Tips from a Professional Guitarist. Today I'm going to continue our study of this wonderful instrument, Fender Telecaster. I told you a little bit about my new product coming out. It's called Eclectic Electric Guitar. We're all very excited about this. This will be coming out first of the year, so stay tuned for it. And in this product, I basically take my whole collection of guitars, which is considerable, and I discuss the characteristic of each guitar. I show you guys some killer licks and some great ways to get tone, whether it's through your hands or through setting on your guitar, or to some degree our effects, although I use effects minimally. I wanted to continue talking about a Telecaster. We talked about a little slap, which was a rockabilly tone. Now I've gone to a slightly different setting now, and as you can hear, this is a little more of a Rolling Stones kind of Keith Richards sound, which I know everybody right now is very hot. Keith's got a new book out I can't wait to read. And this one I'm in an open G tuning, which I'm not going to explain to you in the short time that we have together. But if you tune in and pick up my DVD and some of my blogs, you'll see that I use G tuning, E tuning, drop D tuning. I use a lot of different open alternative tunings. And on electric guitar, you can get like sort of a honky-tonk woman sound. Now if you play it straight, it sounds like this. That's honky tonk women basically. And Keith says that a lot of this kind of stuff he learned from Ry Cooder, and in fact he learned that. This is a little trade secret. They were doing a movie, Mick Jagger did a movie in 1969 called Performance. And in that movie there was a song called Memo from Turner. And Ry played a lot of the slide guitar and a lot of the open tuning stuff. And the word has it that Keith actually picked up on that G tuning. And he ended up using it in songs like Brown Sugar. A lot of different Stones songs you'll hear have that tuning. And if you wonder why it's so hard to recreate, that's because you got to go to, your tuning is D, G, D, G, B, D. That's the magic tuning for to Keith Richards sound. So we're going to get into detail on that in my DVD, Eclectic Electric. But I wanted to give you just a little taste of it. And here's what it sounds like if I add a little echo to it. So that's the Keith sound with a little bit of echo on it. So we're going to get way deep into this stuff on Eclectic Electric, my new product. So if you come back and see me, pick that up. You can get it online through guitar. And we'll look forward to sharing a lot of those secrets on how to get the killer rock tones, blues tones, and in general, how to get around an electric guitar. And in my next blog, I'm going to take you to yet another of my favorite guitars. It's not a Fender, and it's something pretty special. So stick around and check me out. We'll see you soon.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll! Rock and roll! Stay awesome and rock and roll!